YouTube? So you know I'm back with another video. Yeah. So in today's video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be installing a new spoiler. So you know, the one that I got on the car right now, you know, this one. So I'm gonna be taking that one off and I'm gonna be putting on a new one. This one right here, this one. So I wrapped it in carbon fiber. At first it was like that little matte black prime color. I need to put some 3M tape on it so I could put it on. But here's what it looks like. I did it yesterday. It was like pretty quick. I did it pretty quick. It probably took me about 30 minutes just to wrap it and stuff. The one that's on the car that's wrapped in carbon fiber, you know, I'm like freaking carbon fiber crazy for some reason. Some people don't like it, but whatever. You know, it's my car. I'm gonna do what I do. I'm gonna do whatever I want to do with my car. Right now, I gotta put some 3M tape on the spoiler, and then I'm gonna take the old spoiler off. Then I'm gonna put that one on, and we gonna see what it look like. So I got 3M tape on the spoiler. Now I'm about to go outside. I gotta move the car into the garage because now it's dark. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna move the car into the garage and yeah, put the spoiler on. Now I'm about to clean the trunk off. But first I'm gonna take off the spoiler. I'm gonna remove it and then I'm gonna clean it off with some alcohol and then install the new spoiler. Now I got the old spoiler off. It was pretty hard to get off, but it was easier than I expected. And also, I didn't leave that many pieces of tape left on there. So it was just like these 3 little spots, this, and then this spot right here. Then I got these little screw holes from the original spoiler, the wing spoiler that comes from the factory. These are what these holes came from. So I'm hoping that this spoiler that I have right here can actually cover them up. If you want to know where I got this from, I'll put the link down in the description. You just type in flush mount spoiler. It's for 2011, 2012 Accord. So you could just type in flush mount spoiler and then it should come up. So I'm just ripping these pieces off. I'm about to just clean it with some alcohol so that I can install the new one. Alright, so I got the spoiler on. That's what it's looking like. Look at that. I like that right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get some better shots because right now it's dark outside. Try to get like a better view of like what the spoiler looks like in sunlight so you get the full look of it and stuff. I haven't even got the full look of it, but from looking at it right here, it's looking pretty good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, you know what I'm saying? If you got any questions, let me know.
Ain't gotta wait to make them moves, I be loaded. Why you watching drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, I got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've reposted. I ain't posted mixtape, cause I don't fuck.